Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to install a peel-and-stick membrane over the concrete floor for hardwood floor installation. Also, you can use the same techniques for tile installation. Now I want to show you what will happen if you're not watching my video before you start installation of peel-and-stick membrane. Okay, let's go to do it right. So first of all we have to put primer. This is special primer, SM primer. So if you don't put this primer, your peel-and-stick membrane not stick very well to the subfloor, concrete subfloor. I guess you have a reasonable question why I'm installing this membrane under the hardwood floor. Because under this living room we have a bedroom, master bedroom, so and for sound protection we have to put membrane. So before we did double glue down membrane, so we have to take, for example, membrane, we have to take flooring glue, apply the glue, apply membrane, install membrane, and then waiting till the next day when glue will dry, and then install the floor over. You see now primer is dry, and how you can feel it's dry. When you walk it's stuck to your shoes. Then measure necessary lengths of this membrane, put it with poly side down, make it parallel with line what you needed to install this membrane, or parallel with other membrane which you already installed. Then step back 3-4 feet from one side and cut poly, then take the poly off and glue this membrane down to the floor. Don't forget, smooth from the middle to the edges this membrane. It helps you avoid any air bubbles under the membrane. You see, no air bubbles, and membrane glued properly. So now we have to start another side. So remove the poly and start smooth the membrane from the middle to the edges again. If it's glued not so right, just you can unglue it a little bit, lift it up. It's not easy, but you can do it. And then pull poly and roll a membrane and smooth the membrane from the middle to the sides. If you will find some little bubbles, just make with knife little holes and take off air. But if you follow my instruction, it's no bubble, maybe just very little. So also I'm using tube. This tube very helpful. I'm just wrap the poly to this tube and glue the membrane. It's really helpful and easy. You see, all membrane is very good bonding to the concrete subfloor, no any air bubbles, so very nice surface. So now I can start installation hardwood floor. I don't have to wait any time, just install membrane and then put over this membrane flooring glue and install the floor. Very easy. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me, I always answer you. See you on next video.